Hey folks, Tim Orlando here with another great fresh trade. Today I have a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. This thing is an SE and it is certified pre-owned, which means you get up to 10 years, 100,000 miles of powertrain coverage, 10 years, unlimited miles of roadside assistance, 3 years of Sirius XM, a ton of nice features, very comfortable, great gas mileage. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, so diving in for a closer look, you can see this little Elantra offers a big trunk. You got a 60-40 rear split with the seats that'll lay down to get you that much more room. Lots of room in here. You got a backup camera. One thing I like is the hard plastic on the back of the seat, so if you got kids, little kids that may kick it, you're gonna keep that protected and it's gonna always look nice. Lots of cup holders, lots of seat back options like that below. Now, Hyundai does a really neat thing where they offer a fully adjustable driver and passenger front seats, which means the seats go up, down, forward, back, and every which way. Really nice. On-wheel controls galore, powered windows, powered mirrors, all kinds of nice feature comforts that keep you comfortable. All right, folks, as you can see, this 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE has got a lot of nice features. It's certified pre-owned, which means it comes with a ton of warranty for that peace of mind driving. So come on down and see me, Tim Orlando, at Delaney Honda, across from Walmart in Indiana on Oakland Avenue, right off of 422. Or just pick up the phone and give me a call, 724-717-1500. I look forward to meeting you.